Okay, we'll just quickly get started. Welcome you all for the Ethereum calendar meeting 125. It's in the PM repo number 389. I'm posting the link in the chat. So we'll get started with new users in the ECH. I see SG here. SG, if you would like to introduce yourself, yeah, that would be great.
Oh, hi, this is Merago Shubha. So it's just I
Okay,
I
okay.
changed. Yeah.
Okay, great. Good to know you're back again. Yeah. So the next item is Ethereum network upgrade. The Denkun and DNUP upgrade is in progress. DevNet 12 Explorer is happening. EIP 7569 hardcode meta Denkun is also part of meta EIPs for upgrades. And a week back, our Interpol testing call has happened, and the meeting notes are present, and the recording is available for anyone who would like to take it forward. If anyone else want to talk anything about Encode, feel free to talk about it. Else, we'll move for the next. Other applications and protocol developments, roll call one was being mentioned in the previous call. I have to check if there's another call has happened in the last 2 weeks. If not, this should be the latest one. Moving on for events, fellowship, and hackathon. ETH Kimco D Mayo is happening between February 2nd to 4th. ETH Denver is between February 3rd to March 3rd of 2024, co-organized by ECR and co-organized by Women's Ethereum Protocol with Ethereum Foundation. I'm sure Pooja will have some ideas around this. And Women's Day celebrations and thoughts and ideas. I believe last year we were discussing to bring in women who are part of this Ethereum community and have interview happening from the ECH. If anyone want to take initiative or have ideas or thoughts, feel free to bring it up here. And the last one is it Berlin is
I
happening.
just wanted to talk. Sorry.
Go for it, yeah.
Regarding the Women's Day celebration, I would like to work a bit on it, but I'm not sure if we should do the same format as we did last time, where we had like a panel discussion, or just record videos. I think that's what Pooja had suggested beforehand, like record videos beforehand of women developers in the space and post them on Women's Day. I think that would be something that sounds more feasible, and maybe I could bring that up at a later meeting.
Definitely, that's a very good idea. We can give it an attempt, yeah. The last event is ETH Berlin, which is happening between May 24th to 26th of 2024. If anyone of you who's listening to this call, if you happen to attend any of these events, I do let ECH know. Will be more than happy to help you in any ways possible. New Initiative Association, um, ecosystem project demo was the last one. I was having a conversation with a few more dApps. I'll resume it. I had posted for a couple of weeks because I was away from work. So I'll get started from this week and I'll see if I can schedule something for the upcoming Thursday. Meet the orders, Arish.
Right, sorry. Yeah, so it's been pending at my end to finish off the third meeting. I think I ran to the holiday season and then I had to move apartments. So this time next week I should have my setup back. So I will be working on the text for it and it should be ready probably by 2 weeks from now. and then I need to schedule more interviews. So hopefully, once I have my setup, we should be in a position to record more. But that's all the updates from my side.
Definitely. Great. Okay. And there any further ideas, do let us know, or initiatives anyone in the call wants to bring it up. I'm happy to hear the thoughts.
Yeah, sure. I think merch is something we touched upon, I think, sometime back. But with like the conference season resuming, it may not be a bad idea to like just keep an eye on it, so we can distribute merch to get the word out.
Not even, do we actually have any merch? I don't know that we have. So I think producing merch would probably end up being a part of that.
No,
Okay,
we don't have any at all. I don't think we have like any, but I suppose we can sort of be ready for the season.
That is a thought. It can be a surprising amount of work, it happens to be. Just to select someone between the different choices, figure out costs, how many to make, how to make, where the logo goes. Like there's a surprisingly large amount of choices. But that being said, I do think it's a good idea. I mean, it's even a question of logistics because let's say that one person takes care of making, I don't know, 100 sweatshirts or whatever the case is. But then someone else goes to the conference. It's like, I mean, does that mean that you have to like automatically have the person who's going to the conference make them, or like even how do they get them there? Like there's actually a fair amount of logistics in that, but it's definitely something to think about.
I think 2 years ago, Pooja had talked to me about doing merch, and at that time we didn't have enough time to get everything done. But I think Pooja has a database of vendors in China that can ship the merch. So if there's like a conference and somebody's going, maybe Pooja will have that information about getting like certain merch shipped to those people.
Probably when they're actually already by the conference, which might add complication, but it's probably the easiest way to do it. But yeah, I hear. Awesome.
Yeah, I think the other way I would also consider is uh, maybe share this facts with the community with whom we work, right? If Metaculture is going to interview few people for the Women's Day, maybe they can receive our swags and they can talk about it in the social media, right? So that also brings some sort of awareness because they are key influence or key community members. So that's one way, other way to think about. Not necessarily it has to go to an event, but rather we can distribute among the community who are very active and collaborating with ECH.
But I would think that having the merch at a conference would be high visibility, and it would like be a better investment in terms of like reaching a wider audience.
I second that. Yeah, that's definitely like what William mentioned. Maybe that's that. Like for the short term, maybe can get started here and see what are the complexity. How difficult is it to get procurement and get it delivered? But yeah, we can figure it out if anyone happens to attend an event. We can definitely give it an attempt if time and investment um, permits. Yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Cool. Moving on to the next one is general updates and discussion. The new website domain is ethcataders.com, and GitHub, YouTube, everything has been renamed as part of 2024. The ECH stats has been stagnant. We haven't updated yet. On the ECH engineering, George, if you'd like to add, if you'd like to share update, that would be great. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. So for engineering, we've been heads down on rebooting the Learn to Earn app, geared towards Denkun, and planning to announce it during the Girly Fork live stream later today or tonight for me. The one thing that we're looking to do is upload the Denkun quiz. I don't know if there's another version, but that's currently in the works in terms of uploading that new quiz. The rest of the whole thing of like the UI and all that, it looks refreshed and ready to go. So we're like down to the wire, but it seems pretty good so far. So excited about that.
Awesome. Yeah, I think I have the quiz questions and answers ready. The only thing was pending was the format. I can get it like I have discussed with you, right? Maybe I can have some empty states around it or blank information and share it with you for you to get
Yeah,
started.
that'd be appreciated. I don't know if I have like an older version right now.
I'll do.
Have worked on the formatting already. But if there's like an updated version, that would definitely be appreciated getting that right now, or not right now, but like relatively soon. So, all
Sure. Yeah.
right, thanks.
Thank you, George. On the ECH operation, People Ape is continuing to happening. ECH podcast insights are intact. They have been planned as it's going. On the ECH funding, Octon, TPOC2, and OP are RPGF, which is completed. If folks in this call or anyone who's listening, if there's any other fundings happening around the community, do bring it up to a notice. We'll see if you are eligible to apply for it. And the next is the meeting notes. I'll get that checked and see if anything is pending, any meeting notes is pending. Otherwise, I think we are pretty good. We have covered every sections here. And if anyone wants to bring up anything here, feel free to bring it up. Else we should be good for today. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Have a great day.
Awesome. Well done, man.
Thank
Have a
you.
good one,
Bye.
Thank
everybody.
you.
All right, awesome. Bye, guys.
Bye.